Module 4, Lesson 7's objective is to relate addition using manipulatives to a written vertical method. Directions: solve the following problems using your place value chart and number discs. Bundle a 10 when necessary. I'm going to underline using your place value chart and number discs in order to remember to follow the directions. Item 3. Jasir counted 63 flowers by the door and 28 flowers on the windowsill. How many flowers were by the door and windowsill? I will underline the important details. 63 flowers by the door, 28 flowers on the windowsill. Now I will highlight the question. How many flowers were by the door and window? Since the directions tell me I need to use a place value chart and number discs, I will draw my chart now. This is the ones column and the tens column. 63 has 3 ones and 6 tens. Now I'll draw a line to separate the 63 from the 28. 28 has 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 tens. 1, 2. Now I'll draw my equals line. So I need to add the 3 ones and the 8 ones. I know that there are 8 on the bottom, so I'll start with 8 and count up. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is written with 1, 1 and 1, 10. Now count my tens. I know that there are 6 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so I'll start with 6, 7, 8, and this one right here, 9. If you didn't understand what I just did, I counted up my number discs in the ones column. And I know that this right here is a group of 10. If I'm using manipulatives, I would bundle them up maybe with a rubber band and slide them over to the tens column. But since I'm going to be transferring to the vertical written method, all I did was indicate that this is the one that I bundled up and moved to the tens column. This lonely one right here remains listed right here. Then I just counted up how many bundles of 10 I had, and I remembered to add the one right here that I bundled and had moved from the ones column. So I ended up with the answer of 91. How many flowers were by the door and window? There were 91 flowers by the door and window. When doing word problems, first we read, then we underline the important details and highlight or circle the question, draw to show how the problem is solved, then write to answer the question in words. Read, draw, write. Problem 4. Antonio's string is 38 centimeters longer than his reading book. The length of his reading book is 26 centimeters. Item A. What is the length of Antonio's string? I'm going to underline the important details. The string is 38 centimeters longer than his reading book, and the reading book is 26 centimeters. I'm going to highlight or circle the question, what is the length of Antonio's string? Now I will follow the directions and draw the place value chart and number discs. Here is the ones column, and here is the tens column. Now, the number 38 has 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it has 3 tens. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10. I'll draw a line to separate it from the 26 that is the length of his reading book. 26 has 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has 2 tens. 1, 2. Now I'll draw my equals line. Now you go ahead and add up how many ones there are. After you've added it up, put that number here. But if you had to bundle, don't forget to put the number that goes in the tens place right here. Then add up all the tens that you have and put the total right here. What is the length of Antonio's string? Antonio's string is blank centimeters long. Don't forget, you have to include the unit of measurement of centimeters, lowercase c, lowercase m. Item B, the length of Antonio's reading book is 20 centimeters shorter than the length of his desk. How long is Antonio's desk? Again, I'm going to underline the important details. The reading book is 20 centimeters shorter than the length of his desk. Highlight the question. How long is Antonio's desk? Now you use the strategies I showed you already on the earlier problems on this page in order to solve the problem. And then don't forget to answer the question in words. Antonio's desk is blank centimeters long.